You've learned about Azure services. Now, how do you actually create and manage them? In this video, we'll walk through every management tool Azure gives you, from the portal to code-driven deployments to managing resources outside Azure entirely. By the end, you'll be able to choose the right management tool for any task, from quick one-off changes to repeatable large-scale deployments. The Azure Portal is a web-based console where you manage everything visually. You click through menus, fill in forms, and create resources. It's great for learning, exploring services, and making quick changes. You can build custom dashboards and search across your subscription. But the portal is manual. If you need to create the same resources across 10 environments, you're clicking through forms 10 times. Use the portal for exploration and occasional tasks. Now, imagine you want to create a VM without clicking through 5 screens. Azure Cloud Shell gives you a browser-based terminal with 2 options. Azure CLI uses bash-style commands. Azure PowerShell uses CMLets. Both can do everything the portal does, just faster. Cloud Shell is authenticated automatically and has persistent storage. Use CLI if you come from Linux. Use PowerShell if you're a Windows admin. Both achieve the same result. But what if you need to deploy the same infrastructure to dev, staging, and production? Clicking through the portal introduces human error. Scripts help, but they're imperative. They describe steps, not the final state. If a script fails halfway, you get a partial deployment. That's the problem infrastructure as code solves. You describe what you want the end result to look like, the tool figures out how to get there. ARM templates are Azure's native infrastructure as code format. JSON files that declare the resources you want, their properties and dependencies. Submit the template to Azure Resource Manager and it handles the deployment. ARM templates are idempotent. Run the same template repeatedly and get the same result. The trade-off, JSON is verbose. A simple VM can be hundreds of lines. Bicep is a cleaner alternative that compiles down to ARM templates. A storage account that takes 20 lines in JSON takes 5 in Bicep. You get type safety, modules for reuse, and autocomplete. Bicep isn't a separate service. It's a better authoring experience for the same deployment engine. Most new projects choose Bicep over raw ARM templates. Your company runs servers on premises, VMs in AWS, and a Kubernetes cluster in GCP. Azure Arc extends Azure's management plane to resources outside Azure. Install a lightweight agent on external servers and they appear in the Azure portal as native resources. Apply Azure policy, use Azure Monitor, deploy configurations from one place. Use Arc for hybrid or multi-cloud management. Here's the decision table. Portal for exploring, CLI or PowerShell for scripting, ARM templates for enterprise deployments, Bicep for the same power with better syntax, and Arc for managing resources outside Azure. Next up, monitoring tools.